Hello viewers, today I am show how to see use and cheat codes in school particle. Okay, let's start. First open settings, click on tab advanced settings, cheat code click on. Open open settings and click on advanced settings, click on enter cheat code. Thanks for watching my video.